Hello, welcome to REF Learn and Teach. Today in this program, we will learn how to greet people in informal context. Informal words means a friend which refers you are speaking to. You have already learned in English hello. It is a very common word. And today we will talk about some phrases very useful and popular and relaxed situations. So our first step is to say someone hello, hi, hey. So I will call my friend Ayaan, so he will tell you the phrases.
Hello, my name is Ayaan and today I will tell you about phrases. Our first phrase is that hello, hi, hey Carrie, hey Ali, hey Umar, hey Ran, hey Arina, hi Arina, how are you going? How are you doing? How are you being?
Okay. Now we are going to our next step. Our next step is to talk about your schools, offices, colleges.
What about your schools? How about your studies? How about your office? How about your college?
Okay. Now we will go to our last step, which is bye.
Bye. Bye. Goodbye. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Okay. Now me and my friend Ayaan will make a discussion about this greeting people informally. Hi Ayaan, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm great. What are you? How's your school?
My schools are very good. What about yours?
It's also fine. Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine. You are right?
Yeah, thanks. How about your exams? How was your exams?
My exams were very good. What about your exams?
It was really good. Okay, how about your homeworks?
Homeworks were also too good. What about yours?
That was also fine. Okay, bye. Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you too.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
So now we will make a recap of our phrases. Hey, how are you? Hey, hi, alright, you are right. Nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. Pleasing to meet you. Thank you for listening the video. We will meet in our next video. Bye. Nice to meet you.